Hi friends, welcome to P4 Engineer. Before starting the topic, if you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it now. Today, I'm going to explain example of application of metrics in our real life and the easy way to find out the adjoint and inverse of a matrix. Here, I am going to explain how we can write a activity in a matrix form and how we can solve it for finding some unknown values. For example, a ball manufacturer. He manufacturing cricket ball, football and volleyball, and he sell his manufactured ball in a three different shop A, shop B and shop C. There is a condition. He sell for shop A at the rate of rupees 10, 20, 30 respectively per ball. That means 10 rupees for cricket ball, 20 rupees for football and 30 rupees for volleyball. And he got a total amount of 120 rupees from the shop A. For shop B, he sell at the rate of rupees 20, 20, 30 respectively per ball for a total amount of 220 rupees. And for shop C, at the rate of rupees 10, 20, 30, 20 respectively per ball for a total amount of 230 rupees. Now we are going to write the above statement in matrix form. For writing this statement, we will make a grid like this, and each row, this row we will mark it as a shop A, this row is marked as a shop B, and this row is marked as shop C. Similarly, here this column we write the per price of cricket ball, per price of football ball, per price of volleyball. And as per the statement, in shop A, he sell a cricket ball at the rate of 10 rupees. He sell a football at the rate of 20 rupees. He sell a volleyball at the rate of 30 rupees. Similarly, shop B 20, 20 and 30. Shop C 10, 30 and 20. And he got amount from shop A is 120 rupees and shop B 220 rupees and shop C 230 rupees. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find out how much cricket ball and how much football, how much volleyball the manufacturer is already manufactured. That we can put it as x1, x2 and x3. x1 is cricket ball, manufactured cricket, number of manufactured cricket ball, x2 is number of manufactured football, and x3 is number of manufactured volleyball. Now we will rewrite the equation. This x in the statement matrix is equal to what they got from the shop, that is shop A, shop B and shop B, C. Amount of collecting from the shop, we are writing another matrix. Now we are going to find the values of x1, x2, x3, that is the total manufactured cricket ball, football and volleyball. And this is the equation what we are getting from the statement, that is x1, x2, x3. That's the number of balls, number of cricket ball manufactured, football manufactured and volleyball manufactured in statement of how much price he are giving in each and every shop, and that is equal to how much money he is getting from the shop A, shop B and shop C. Now we can say that now this is in the form of, we can simply write this is in the form of x into A is equal to B, that is matrix x into matrix A is equal to matrix B. From here we can find out the value of x. Normal practice, we can find out the value of x is equal to simply divided by B divided by A. But in matrix form, division and subtraction, it is not possible. Only multiplication and addition is possible in the metric form. Just remember this. That is the reason we are using for the inverse of a matrix. Then x is equal to B into A inverse. Now we can going to find the value of inverse of a matrix. How we can find out the value of inverse of matrix? There is one or two or three method is there to find out the values of inverse of a matrix. And here I am using to find out the matrix is equation A inverse is equal to 1 by 1 divided by matrix of A into adjoint of A. That is, A matrix of A is equal to what we are getting the matrix from previous slide. That is, he sell the ball, cricket ball, at the rate of 10 for shop A, 20 for shop B, 24 10 for shop C. Similarly for football, similarly volleyball. Now we are going to find out the value of matrix determinant of A. Then determinant of A is equal to, you know, everybody know how to find out the values of determinant. This determinant of value is 10 into 20 into 20 minus 30 into 30. That is 10 into 400 minus 900. Similarly, minus of 20 into 400 minus 300, that is 400 minus 300, 20 into 20, 30 into 10, similarly plus 30 into 600 minus 200. We will get the value of 5000. Now we want to find out adjoint of matrix A. Actually, for find out the value of adjoint of A, there is a lot of procedure, sir. We want to find out first, we want to find out the minor of the matrix. Then we want to find out the cofactor of the matrix, and we want to take the transpose of the matrix. Then only we will get the adjoint of matrix. It will take too much time. I am here to use a shortcut method for finding the adjoint value. Nothing. A is equal to this matrix. What we are getting the example, this matrix we are writing. What we are going to do, same matrix we are writing here. Then row R1 and R2, we are going to write down the matrix. This R1 is writing below this matrix, and R2 again we are writing below this matrix. And there is a column C1 and C2. What we are going to do, C1 we are again writing on the right side of the matrix, and C2 column we are writing again on the right of the matrix. Now we are getting a 5 by 5 matrix. Next, we are simply strike it out for column C1 and R1. It is not useful for our purpose. Now we are going to find out the value of adjoint. Adjoint of A is equal to, now we will select this first 4 digit, then value is equal to 20 into 20 minus 30 into 30. That is 20 into 20 400 minus 30 into 30 900, that is equal to minus 500. And next value 20 into 10 minus 20 into 20, 30 into 10, 30 into 10 means 300 minus 20 into 20 400, that is minus 100. But remember, we are moving along the row direction. We are moving along the row direction, but we are writing in column direction. Always remember, we are going along the row direction, we are writing column direction. The next value is 20 into 30 minus 10 into 20, that is equal to 600 minus 200, that is equal to 400. Similarly, for the next column value, we will get from this selection 30 into 30 minus 20 into 20, that is equal to 900 minus 400, that is equal to 500, and next one is minus 100, and next one is minus 100. Similarly, for the last column also we will moving like this, 20 to 30, 20 into 30, 20 into 30 minus 20 into 30, that is equal to 0. And the 30 into the 10, 300 minus the 600 minus 300 is equal to 300, and 200 minus 400 is equal to minus 400. This is the value of adjoint of matrix A. And now we are going for finding out the value of inverse of a matrix A. Previously we see that one, the value of inverse of a matrix A is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, that is equal to 1 divided by 5000. That is, already we are finding out the value of determinant, that is 5000, into adjoint of the matrix what we are finding out previously, that is minus 500, 500, 0, minus 100, minus 100, 300, 400, minus 100, minus 200. Once we divided by this equation, we will get the value of A inverse in a minus 1 in row base minus 0.1, 0.1, 10, and row base minus 0.02, 0.02, minus 0.06, 0.08, minus 0.02, and minus 0.04. Now we are going to solve the equation what we are finding out of the early example. This is the example statement. From the statement we are making an equation x1 x matrix of x1 x2 x3 into matrix what we are getting the each and every cricket ball, those the manufacturers sell in a different price, that we are making a matrix form that must be is equal to what he is getting from the shop A, shop B, and shop C, that is 120, 220, 230. Then as per the previous statement, we can write x1, x2, x3 is equal to b into A inverse. Okay, b into A inverse, that is b is equal to this matrix what is 120, 220, 230, and A inverse what we are finding out here is added together, sorry, multiplied together. Then we will get a value. Once we are adding this matrix by this matrix, we will get a 1 by 3 matrix, that is 2, 3, 4. Here this is clear that this matrix, from this matrix, value of x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3, and x3 is equal to 4. And we can say that the manufacturer manufactured 2 numbers of cricket ball and 3 numbers of football and 4 numbers of volleyball. I hope you understand the topic. If you are like this video, please share with your friends, and if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, subscribe it now. Thanking you and have a nice day.